To find out the IMEI of a lost or stolen Android phone, you need to open any browser, be connected to the internet, then you go to gmail.com. Go to gmail.com. Once that opens up, you log in with the main Gmail account on the lost or stolen Android phone. And when you've logged in, then you go to find, let's make a quick Google search. You go to google.com. Then you click on find my Android. Okay, so you click on the second link. This first link is just a snippet of what the website is all about. You go to the second link. Then you can see there are two phones here. This is my current one. This is the one I'm trying to find. So you click on it. Then click on this eye icon to check the device information for the phone. Then you have the IMEI there, and you can track the phone with these details, or do any other thing you want to do with it. That is all for now.